Hi, Sec Sunny Angara, ang aking kalaro sa basketball more than 2 decades ago. And sadly, he schooled me right here on my home court. Sa lahat ng ating USECs, of course, our USEC, Malcolm Garma. Siya talaga ang nag-ahead at nag-oversee ng buong games. I tip my hat to you, our Secretary General of Palarong Pambansa, USEC, Malcolm Garma. Palapakan pa natin. Siya ang brains, engine, everything behind the games. Maraming salamat po. We also have USEC Peter Corvera and USEC Trigib Laivar. Sa lahat ng ating mga secretaries, to our entire DepEd family, a good evening po sa inyong lahat. We also have our new chair of CHED, our very own, Dr. Shirley Agrupis. Congratulations po. Recently MMSU president of our state university and now our new CHED chair. Congratulations. We also have our Congressman, Angelo Marcos Barba. Nandito rin po ang aking fellow Governor Santiago Cane Jr. from Agusan del Sur, to our vocales, to our mayors and vice mayors, to all of our government officials. Good evening to you all. Our Olympic gold medalist who stayed here the entire week. Saludo po ako sa inyo, Ma'am Heidelin Diaz, ang ating bayani. Maraming salamat. And of course, from Creamline Pool Smashers, we have Eliza Valdez, Cots, Carlos, and Kyle Negrito. Sa lahat ng ating delegations, to our dear student athletes, our coaches, our technical officials, I hope you enjoyed your stay, and I'd like to thank ang aking team once again for doing the heavy lifting. Sila po talaga ang nag-organize and who worked very, very hard. And of course, I missed from DepEd our Secretariat, Ma'am Marivic Polito. Palapakan po natin si Ma'am Marivic na nag-coordinate lahat on the ground, and to our dear Secretariat, DepEd, and Palarong Pambansa Secretariat. Maraming salamat po. To my team, our tourism team, led by Ayan and Xavier, our sports office, led by Helen Rose Domingo and Fivo Bartolome, our engineering office, led by Engineer Luciano Domingo, our GSO, MSME, and ENRO. To my PGIN family, thank you for your hard work for several months, and most especially this past week in ensuring the hosting of our Palarong Pambansa was indeed smooth. I'd also like to make special mention of our Mayor of Lawag City, my tito, Mayor Michael Marcos Tion. Isang legend din sa sporting world, spearheading Gintong Alay many years before I was born. Tito, thank you for reminding me to bid for this. Our hosting perhaps would not have occurred if it not for you. Palapakan po natin si Mayor Michael Marcos Tion. Maraming salamat po. Sa totoo lang, gusto po namin i-host ang closing ceremony sa aming World UNESCO Heritage Site in Poway Church. But of course, the weather has been a factor for us, so we are here at our Centennial Arena. Once again, I would like to thank all of those who have helped us host the games, our sponsors, our mayors and vice mayors, all of the volunteers, all of those who will go unmentioned and unnoticed. Maraming salamat sa inyong sakripisyo. We thank you for strengthening our games and making sure that all of our delegates hopefully enjoyed and most importantly are still safe and sound. We also thank the Department of Education from the bottom of our hearts for giving us this opportunity and for allowing Ilocos Norte to display its traditions, its heritage, the very best of Ilocos Norte to the entire Philippines. Hopefully, soon, we can host Palarong Pambansa once again and do it even bigger and even better. Sa inyong lahat, this is not goodbye, but instead, this is see you again soon. Sana makabalik po kayo. You are always more than welcome in Ilocos Norte. Please come back with your family and your friends. Yung iba, nakita ko na kanina sa sand dunes. But the rest, baka hindi niyo pa napuntahan ang Pagudpud, ang windmills, and may Badok Island at Solsona, Apayao pa. Please, please, please come visit Ilocos Norte again. You will be our guests of honor. Sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang DepEd, mabuhay ang atletang Pilipino, mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Salamat po.
Makapalit ka ang mensahe ng lipod pinagdadaulong Departamento de Edukasyon. Sekretaryo Juan Ricardo Sanin Angara.
Let us also listen to some inspiring words from the head of the Department of Education.